Hey guys, what's up? So in this video we are going to set up Flutter on our machine so that we can get started with the cross-platform app development. So let's get started. So first of all, we will head over to Flutter, and here we can see a website called flutter.dev, and at the top right corner we can see get started button. So basically here it asks for our operating system, so I am using Windows, so I will click on Windows. And here we have the Flutter SDK. So before downloading SDK, let us see the system requirements. So basically operating system it requires is Windows 7 Service Pack 1 or later. So basically without Service Pack 1, if you are using Windows 7, it won't work. And then we come to disk space, of course everybody has it. And then tools. So basically it wants to tell us that we have to install Windows PowerShell 5.0. So basically it comes installed with our Windows 10, and if you are using Windows 8 or 7, then you surely need to go and download 5.0 or the newer version of PowerShell. And first of all we need to download Git for Windows, so we will download this Git for Windows. We'll click on here, and here we can see Windows download, and 64 we will download 64-bit, and as we click on it, it gets downloaded. So we'll wait for it. We'll open this. Run is interested. We'll install it now. Okay. Just hit next. We don't need to change anything here. Okay, don't want to see release notes. So here we can now search for git bash. So basically we have installed git, which was a requirement, and now we will head over again to Flutter, and we will download the Flutter SDK. We will download for Windows, we will download Flutter 2.2.2 stable zip, and till then we will download Android Studio. So we will be developing on Android Studio, so I will accept this and download Android Studio. So now when the download is complete, we are going to install them. Okay, so first of all we will extract this Flutter 2.2, extract here. We'll wait for it. So here we can see Android Studio started working, and Flutter. Here we can see this Flutter folder. So we will just copy this and we'll head over to our local disk C. We'll create a new folder here, name it src, and in this folder we will paste this Flutter folder. And till then let us see Android Studio. Okay, we'll just click, make sure Android virtual device is ticked. So okay, and here we will install Android Studio. We'll wait for it. So we'll start Android Studio later. We'll finish this up. This is about to finish, and now we will get into this Flutter folder, and here we can see bin. We will just copy this path. First of all, let us see our command prompt. If we run here Flutter is not recognized as an internal or external command, so we will add this to our variables, path variables. So edit environment variables, and here we can see path. We'll click on edit, we'll click on new, we'll click on here, okay, and now let's see cmd. So basically now it recognizes what is Flutter, and here you can see we can run Flutter doctor. We can run Flutter dash version, and it will give our version Flutter 2.2.2. So basically now we have our Flutter SDK, and now we will set up our Android Studio. We'll open Android Studio for the first time, and we'll say do not import settings, okay. Don't send, next, standard, next, of course Dracula. So now our Android Studio is downloading components. So we will hit on yes, and it is installing some more Android virtual device. It is creating Android virtual device, okay. So now we will hit on finish, and here now we need to download a plugin, Flutter plugin. So we will click on plugins, we will search for Flutter, and we'll install this. So it says the Flutter plugin requires Dart plugin to be installed. So basically Dart plugin will be installed with it too. So okay, we'll hit on okay, we'll restart it. So now let us see how this works. So we'll create a new Flutter project now. Before this option wasn't here, so now it is here, so we'll use this option. Now we have to specify the SDK path. So basically we'll click on this button and we'll go to C, source, Flutter, and click on bin, and this is my SDK path. Click on here, not the bin one, okay. We'll just use Flutter, and now we are creating a Flutter project. So here we go. What is this? So we have this untitled project, and let us see the main.dart file here. So as we can see, there are no errors, so this will work perfectly fine, and I think we have this SDK. So let us run this one with Android 11. Okay, our SDK is being started. So here we have our virtual device. We'll turn it on. So here we can see Google. Move this at the left side. So in order to solve this problem, we will download Java from java.com, and we will install this. Install. So now we have successfully installed Java. We will head over to local disk C, and here we will find Java folder, and here it is JRE and bin. I will copy this one and then simply we will open our environment variables, and here we have to add a new Java home variable, and we'll enter the value, click on OK, and we'll just try to run this again. So as we hit on run, the process again started. Please set Java home variable in the environment to match the location of your Java installation. So guys, even after setting the Java home variable, this did not work out. So what I did to solve this is just go to your file and close this project and click on configure, and here you can see your SDK manager, and just head over to Android SDK and SDK tools. So here you can see Android SDK command line tools latest. This was unchecked, so I checked it, and when I checked it, it started installing, downloading resources and installing. So after being installed, I clicked on apply and OK, and then I tried to run my program, and then still it gave an error. So basically what I did was I changed my channel. So you can just check your channel using Flutter. Flutter channel. So basically Flutter channel shows you on which channel you are currently. So I am at master channel. So basically change your channel to master and this will surely work out. Let me run this. So now this is actually working, you can see, and we successfully did this. So guys, thank you for this video, and if you find this video helpful, then do subscribe the channel. So till then, bye bye, take care.